Starting my first cryptocurrency investment felt like stepping into a whole new world. The idea of putting my money into digital assets was both exciting and intimidating. Like many beginners, I was curious but unsure where to begin. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security, and they operate independently of any central bank. The most famous example is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with its own unique features and uses. The world of cryptocurrencies can be overwhelming, especially for new investors. With thousands of different cryptocurrencies available, it is easy to feel lost. Each cryptocurrency serves a different purpose, and the market itself is known for its complexity and volatility. Prices can change rapidly, and trends can shift in an instant. This unpredictability often makes people hesitant to dive in. However, understanding the basics is crucial. Once you know how cryptocurrencies work and what drives their value, you can make more informed decisions and feel more confident as you start your investment journey. One of the first steps I took was choosing a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you buy and sell your digital assets. Popular platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Each exchange has its own set of fees, security measures, and user interfaces, so it is important to do your research before committing. I spent time comparing these platforms, reading reviews, and making sure I understood how each one worked. Picking the right exchange can make your investment experience smoother and safer. Security quickly became a top priority for me. I learned that it is not wise to store cryptocurrencies on an exchange for an extended period. Exchanges can be vulnerable to hacks, and you do not want to risk losing your investment. Instead, I looked into hardware wallets, which are physical devices designed to keep your assets safe offline. Investing in a hardware wallet gave me peace of mind, knowing that my cryptocurrencies were protected from online threats. Taking these precautions is essential for anyone serious about investing in crypto. The moment of truth arrived when I decided to make my first investment. It was both thrilling and nerve-wracking. I started small, only investing what I could afford to lose. This is one of the most important rules in crypto investing. The market can be highly volatile, and prices can swing dramatically in a short period. I also made sure to diversify my portfolio, spreading my investment across several different cryptocurrencies instead of putting all my money into one. This helped minimize my risk and gave me exposure to different parts of the market. As I continued my journey, I picked up several valuable tips. First, research is key. I took the time to learn about each cryptocurrency I was interested in, reading white papers and following reputable news sources. Staying updated on market trends and news is crucial, as the crypto market is heavily influenced by current events. However, I avoided making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations. Patience and discipline are essential. I reminded myself that investing in cryptocurrencies is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is important to have a strategy and stick to it, even when the market gets turbulent. Looking back, starting my first cryptocurrency investment was a learning experience. It required research, strategy, and patience. I learned that success in crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. With a well-thought-out approach and a willingness to keep learning, anyone can navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. If you found this journey helpful, check out my other videos on cryptocurrency strategies and share your thoughts in the comments below.